Hello and welcome to this ZenWorks highlights on resetting or reinstalling the ZenWorks Adaptive Agent via the ZCC utilizing ZeUS, the ZenWorks Update Service. This video will highlight the ZenWorks Adaptive Agent component called ZeUS, which stands for ZenWorks Update Service. Enabled in ZenWorks 11 SP4, the decoupling of System Update Service from the Adaptive Agent allows for easier management if something goes wrong with the ZenWorks agent or the ZenWorks agent service. ZeUS logging on the device side is in the ZMD messages log, and you could search for ZeUS module in that log. On the service side, you can look at the server that initiated the quick task and look in the service messages log. You'll find a quick task service along with the GUID of the device that you sent the quick task to. Some of the advantages of decoupling the ZenWorks Update Service from the agent service includes repairing the agent is no longer dependent on the agent service state itself. So if the agent service is in a failed state, or if the device experienced a failed system update, the agent service can be reset or the system update reapplied via ZCC, not having to visit the device itself. Let's have a quick walkthrough. We have our device here, and we have our zone. Then we have our appliance administration console. This particular zone is run on an appliance, so we'll look at the logs through here. Let's go to our device and capture the GUID. Go over to our appliance, look in the logs. It'll be in the service messages log. And we could search just on that particular GUID. This will parse out anything coming in regarding that particular GUID. Let's go over to the device. Open up the Technician tab. We'll set our logging level to debug. We're going to clear the log so it'll be easier to see what we've done from this point forward. Let's open up our services. You can see in our services we now have the obvious ZenWorks agent service, and then we have a ZenWorks updater service. Let's go over to ZCC and watch this in action. We'll run a quick task, resetting the device. Watch this as it stops and starts the Novell ZenWorks agent service. There it's stopping. Now the agent service has stopped, and it'll start it back up. There we are, it's running now. All through the quick task from ZCC. Now let's check the log, the ZMD messages log on the device itself. Search on ZeUS module. We can see that it loaded. So it's going through its tasks of restarting that particular ZenWorks agent. And you can see it's returned successfully. Let's go over to the server side and look at the logs. We can see here that we have a quick task service was initiated and sent out to the device. and it went through its startup for the quick task to restart that service. Hopefully that gives you a better idea on how the ZENworks update service actually affects a device, in that with the quick task you can do a reset device or verify last update to reinstall the agent or repair the agent. This concludes the ZENworks highlights on resetting or reinstalling ZENworks Adaptive Agent via ZCC utilizing the ZENworks update service.